You call it the hat snatcher, or you got a name for it? The hat snatcher.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
If you catch me at the border, the visas in
Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Sorry, excuse me. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick for the video?
So, name's Alex, SNA, Team Doodoo.
Okay.
Got 6 SP415s with sundown recones, nightshade, 3 salt 8Ks at 0.7.
0.7, awesome.
And then all the mids and highs are on smart 3Ks.
Okay, nice. Is it a 4th or a 6th order?
4th order.
4th order, okay. You know the tuning on it?
It's a like 2.7 to 1
2.7
ratio.
to 1. Okay.
That's probably in the upper 30s, mid 40s.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh, no, I appreciate you.
You call it the hat snatcher, or you got a name for it? The hat snatcher. All right.
I can move out of the way if you want to get.
Go ahead, man. Oh, I can? I get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stick your head in there if you want to take pictures of that.
Sure. Nice.
If you want after this, we'll get you in later on the
Sure,
other
man.
side,
Yeah,
too.
man. Go ahead and do your thing, yeah.
It's not bad, but it's getting there.
Call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens. Call us vegetarians. Even on that minor league, we smoke professionally. I do my job exceptionally. On point like a decimalist. Out on the beat, man, I think that this beat is done so effortlessly. Yeah, so these niggas can't sleep on me. There's no exception in this bitch. I'm top chef, you top ramen, I'm top chef. It's DJ Washington. What you know about rolling down in the deep when you bring
She say that I'm cool. She say that I'm cool.